Welcome to my new update video, and I'll be talking about the current progress on our project. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. So right now, Jason is working on the programming commands for our next step, which is to intersect the CNVs that we gathered through pin CNV and cross-reference them with the genes that came from my gene list from the list of genes from multiple different databases and research papers that are linked to ASD. So what we're using is a company, and I guess their software, Bedtools, and it's out of a Bedfile while we're programming to be able to use some basic arithmetic using the genetic information that we have, so the genome. What we're going to use here is, as you can see up here, is there's a diagram. There's input A and input B. So for our purposes, our project, we're using the CNVs gathered from pin CNV, so the copy number variants of the samples from the source B, and then we're going to cross those or intersect those with our B input, which is the list of genes that I created. So here, when we intersect these, we'll be able to better tell the similarities and the association between our samples from the project and the list of, as well as like the location of where the variation is happening. So it will actually, in the programming, be able to tell us to start on like where in the genome, like the starting length of the CNV and the end length, and be able to tell us where on what gene or what genes that does span, since CNV can span multiple genes. So that will help to pinpoint exactly where our variation, the CNV, is happening, and the association between that and already known linked genes of autism. So hopefully in the next week or two, we'll have some actual data to look at. I know recently Jason has been saying that it's crashing every time he tries to run the commands to intersect, because I mean there is just so much data. So after that, the project will, as far as my end of the project, will start to come to an end. We'll talk about that maybe in the next video or two. So yeah, I will update you in a couple weeks. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.